Most people don't know this gadget exists. Here's a smart product that can make everyday life a whole lot easier. Number 1. Still scrubbing your bathroom by hand? Here's a smart product that can make everyday life a whole lot easier. This is the Levin Electric Spin Scrubber. It comes with 7 brush heads to clean tubs, tiles, showers, and floors. The long handle helps you reach tough spots without bending. Just press a button and let it do the hard work. Number 2. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be messy. This electric toilet brush gives a deeper clean with less effort. The silicone brush doesn't trap dirt, and the ventilated holder keeps it dry. You can mount it on the wall or place it on the floor. Number 3. Tired of struggling with wet and dirty mops? This heavy-duty sponge mop features a self-squeeze design that removes excess water in seconds. It's perfect for hardwood floors, tiles, and concrete surfaces. Cleaning becomes faster and easier. Number 4. Pet hair all over your home? This 3-in-1 steam grooming brush helps remove loose hair while gently grooming your pet. The built-in mist feature makes brushing more comfortable. Great for both cats and dogs. Number 5. What if your windows could clean themselves? This compact window cleaning robot moves across glass surfaces automatically. It sprays, wipes, and follows an intelligent cleaning path. Just attach it and let it handle the job. Number 6. Sweeping is easy. Picking up the dirt is the annoying part. This touchless vacuum dustpan automatically sucks up dust, food crumbs, and pet hair. With powerful suction and a large container, cleaning takes only seconds. Number 7. Imagine never having to vacuum again. This robot vacuum and mop uses powerful suction and smart navigation to clean your floors automatically. It even handles pet hair and hard-to-reach edges with ease. Number 8. Carpet stains don't stand a chance against this. This carpet cleaner combines steam, hot water, and powerful suction to remove deep dirt and stains. It's also great for couches, car seats, and upholstery. Number 9. Moving heavy furniture upstairs can be a nightmare. This electric stair-climbing dolly can carry heavy loads up and down stairs with minimal effort. Perfect for moving furniture, appliances, and bulky items. Number 10. No washing machine. No problem. This foldable portable washer is perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, travel, and RVs. It cleans small loads efficiently and folds away when not in use. Number 11. Want a safer and smarter driving experience? This rear-view mirror camera records in 4K and gives you a clear view of what's happening around your vehicle. It also includes parking assistance and GPS tracking. Number 12. This tiny vacuum is more powerful than it looks. With strong suction and a cordless design, this mini vacuum is perfect for cleaning cars, keyboards, desks, and other small spaces. Number 13. Stop wasting time with manual screwdrivers. This cordless electric screwdriver makes DIY projects and home repairs faster and easier. It comes with multiple bits and adjustable power settings. Number 14. Cutting branches has never been this easy. This lightweight cordless mini chainsaw is perfect for trimming trees and handling small cutting jobs around the yard. Number 15. Still using a traditional tape measure? This pocket-sized laser measuring tool gives accurate measurements in seconds. It's fast, compact, and easy to carry anywhere. Number 16. Need perfect angles every time? This digital angle finder delivers instant and accurate readings, ideal for woodworking, construction, and home improvement projects. Number 17. Cleaning glasses by hand takes too long. This high-pressure glass rinser quickly cleans cups, mugs, bottles, and wine glasses. Just press down and let the water do the work. Number 18. What if your food could stir itself? This automatic stirrer keeps soups, sauces, and other dishes moving while you focus on something else. A simple tool that saves time in the kitchen. Number 19. Food prep doesn't have to take forever. This food processor can chop, slice, shred, mix, and even knead dough. It handles multiple kitchen tasks in just minutes. Number 20. Make old clothes look new again. This rechargeable fabric shaver removes lint, fuzz, and pilling from clothes and furniture. In seconds, fabrics look cleaner and refreshed. Would you try this gadget? Let us know in the comments, and follow for more amazing products.